Welcome back to Tech Explorer, where we bring you the latest and greatest in mobile technology. Today, we're diving into Xiaomi's gaming powerhouse, the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro. This smartphone is built to dominate with its 6.74-inch AMOLED display, Snapdragon 8's Elite processor, and a 50MP triple camera system. Plus, with a 6000 mAh battery and 120W fast charging, it's a device that's as powerful as it is efficient. But what truly sets it apart is the enhanced cooling system, designed to keep the phone cool during even the most intense gaming sessions. Let's explore everything this beast has to offer. The Redmi Turbo 4 Pro combines performance with style. Its sleek metallic frame and premium matte finish give it a sophisticated look. The curved edges ensure a comfortable grip, even during extended gaming sessions. The back panel features a subtle gaming aesthetic, while the triple camera module is seamlessly integrated. The phone also comes with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection, ensuring durability for both the front and back. This is a device built to last. The 6.74-inch AMOLED display is one of the standout features of the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro. It offers 144Hz refresh rate and HDR10+ support, providing an ultra-smooth and immersive visual experience. With 1.5K resolution and vibrant color reproduction, this display is perfect for gaming, streaming, and everyday use. It also boasts a peak brightness of 1800 nits, ensuring excellent visibility, even in direct sunlight. At the heart of the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro lies the Snapdragon 8's Elite processor. Built on the 4nm architecture, it delivers lightning-fast performance and efficient power management. With up to 16GB of RAM and 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage, multitasking is seamless and gaming is lag-free. Paired with MIUI 16, based on Android 15, the software experience is smooth, intuitive, and packed with customization options. The 50MP triple camera setup on the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro delivers exceptional photography and videography capabilities. The 50MP main sensor captures stunning details with vibrant colors and excellent dynamic range. The ultra-wide lens is perfect for capturing expansive landscapes and group shots. A dedicated macro lens ensures close-up shots are crisp and detailed. The camera also supports 4K video recording, enhanced by advanced AI stabilization. The 16MP front-facing camera ensures sharp and natural selfies, making it a well-rounded photography package. The Redmi Turbo 4 Pro is a gamer's dream. With its Snapdragon 8's Elite processor and 144Hz refresh rate, games run smoothly, with no lag or frame drops. What truly sets this phone apart is its enhanced cooling system. Equipped with liquid cooling technology, it efficiently dissipates heat, keeping the phone cool during marathon gaming sessions. This ensures consistent performance without throttling. Powering this beast is a massive 6000 mAh battery, designed to last through long gaming sessions and heavy usage. With 120W fast charging, the battery goes from 0 to 100% in just 19 minutes, eliminating downtime. This combination of a large battery and fast charging makes the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro one of the most reliable devices for gamers and power users alike. Running on MIUI 16, based on Android 15, the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro offers a polished user experience. The interface is clean, intuitive, and packed with features tailored for gamers. The game Turbo Mode optimizes performance by allocating resources to your game while blocking notifications. Customizable controls and haptic feedback further enhance the gaming experience. Priced at approximately $699, the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro offers incredible value. Competing with devices like the Asus ROG Phone 8 and Black Shark 6 Pro, it holds its ground with its superior display, cooling system, and battery performance. In conclusion, the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro is an exceptional gaming-focused smartphone that doesn't compromise on style or performance. From its 144Hz AMOLED display to the enhanced cooling system, it's designed to meet the needs of both gamers and everyday users. If you're looking for a phone that combines top-tier performance, long-lasting battery life, and an affordable price, the Turbo 4 Pro is a no-brainer. What do you think of Xiaomi's latest flagship? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Explorer for more in-depth reviews. See you in the next one.